guys, I have a bit of a surprise for you guys. Sorry if my voice is a little raspy. I'm getting over a cold. My surprise is I'll be starting a mini cooking series. What this is gonna be is I'm gonna be trying out different recipes and doing different things that I actually know how to do besides boil water. So this is the first video. It's my smoothie. It's nothing special. It's pathetic, it's a smoothie, but it's okay. This song is by my friend Kobe. If you like this music and this song, go check out his SoundCloud. I'll have it linked down below. And go check it out. He's really good. So, this is my smoothie. I hope you like it.